Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and I just finished cleaning this basement area, and now I'm going to do the post vacuuming / grooming with the Hoover Hushtone. So come along with me for a ride. I thought that was a spot for a sec, but then I realized it's the shadow from the plug there. You can see that the vacuum is doing a wonderful job of grooming this carpet and giving the carpet what appears to be, is a freshly vacuumed appearance. I think that's a good thing. You want it to look like, it presents well when you're finished. Now there were some stains over here, I mentioned when I was cleaning, but they are all gone now. Another shadow right there where I'm at, from the leg of that little table. I see a seam right there. Actually really obvious. Oh, by the way, the carpet is almost dry. Not sure what that was. Oh, by the way, for those of you who use the Hoover Hushtone, one thing you got to remember is when you go to move it into the operating position, make sure that when you push this lever down, you push it down and then you pull it back. It's easy to get into the habit of pulling it back while you're pushing it down, and that'll put stress on that lever, and that's when you end up breaking it. I've never broken one yet, but I know that other guys have, and I think that's probably why. I've been very careful. I try to be very careful when I lay it back to vacuum, that I because you know, the plastic will break. You want to try to avoid putting stress on it. So I'm about to lower it, so I go push down, then lower it. It's easy to forget to do that, so you got to kind of train yourself to get into the habit. Now over here was where there were some marks right beside the bed. Let's see what that looks like. Again, when I'm post vacuuming, I'm always scanning the carpet to just double check. Yep, looks like they're all gone. That's another reason I like to vacuum. Because as you move back and forth, it just gives you that extra time, and gives you that extra ability to really look at the carpet after you've cleaned it and make sure you've not missed anything, or maybe something that needs a little more, something else to fully get it out or whatever. But anyway, that's kind of one of the reasons why I do things the way I do it. I mean, one of the things to bear in mind is that when you're cleaning carpet, guys, the amount of money that you can make in the time that you're doing it in is pretty darn significant compared to, you know, going and working for somebody for 20 bucks an hour. You're going to be, well, you certainly should be making way more than that. And if you aren't, well, you need to take a look at your business model. Okay. There's the lake over there. Cone is actually over to the right. We're sort of looking down the lake here. That's west corner over there. And we got the clouds down in the valley today. And I believe there's snow up on the Coca-Cola, which is basically the main road into the valley. I think they had snow up there last night. I bet they did anyway. Even though most people would have taken their snow tires off already. So if they're having to head to Vancouver or Kamloops or places like that, well, that could be a problem. Because you don't want to be driving up on the mountain roads like that without snow tires on. And I already did the edges and corners with the vacuum when I pre-vacuumed, of course. And there were some stains on the side of the bed here, which also are gone. This carpet's looking nice and fluffy. Okay, we're going to get up onto the landing here. And I will be grooming the steps after, which I will be using. I've got that little handheld Grandy. That's what I usually use. Works just fine for that. And there's the doodle bug, which I use on the risers whenever I need to. Which I did. Okay, looks like we're pretty much done. Keep it nice and fluffy again. Okay. So, thank you for watching, and have a good day.